Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Licking County until 9 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grenville South, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Hebron, Hanover, Beechwood Trail, Granville South, Martin, Alexandria, St. Louisville, Gratiot, Toboso, Fredonia, Purity, State Route 310 at State Route 161, Fallsburg and Brownsville. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.